Stuff it. Hi, welcome back. Hey, sorry about that abrupt finish. But yeah, this amplifier is going into protect mode. And the only way to stop it is by putting a fan on it. Hello, Max, or MX Power 3, EDM, Michael, 8-Bit, Russ, Carthor, Zern. What's up? So I'm just going to check for cold solder joints. Or any burning anywhere. It's weird. It could be random. It could be within one song. It could be within 3 songs. It's just random. So just stripping it down. Having a look. Thing is, I'm getting confused on the screws. Ah, David. Hello, worms. I know, James, and I love you guys. It's just I haven't been taking my sanity pills, and I think it's hitting me a little bit. Right, that's that gone, which is nice. I want to try and take the whole main board off. Actually, let's check under the scope for bad joints on here. I think it'll be fine, but it's worth a check. That's with repairing. Yeah. Hold on. I'm gonna carry on disassembling this. Ugh. I have got a customer on the way as well, just for a pickup. The headphones. That's my joke. Yeah. No, I'm not on antidepressants, but I'm on anxiety pills, and I don't know. I've been off them for about a week and a bit, but I don't know if that's the issue. What am I doing? Title. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, everything's fine, Chris. It's just me. It's a me thing. Let me zoom in a bit. Don't know why it was so far away. Oh. Maybe that's a bit too close. Anyway, let's have a look under the scope. Thanks, Russ. Not Russ. Sorry, Worms. Jesus. I have got a green screen coming today, so that's going to be nice. I've ordered the parts for the controllers. It is a bit dark still. Let's brighten that up a bit. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's full brightness. What? Looks like sound thing. Yeah. Just look for not dry, sorry, what do you call it? Bad solder joints, but it's all SMD stuff. This is just on the HDMI circuit.
Family.
There is a solution I can do, is install a fan somehow. But I really want to get around to the root cause. Probably is dry solder joints, cracked solder joints, I don't know. Hopefully gets it. I hope so. Hi Andy, see you started. Sorry I was late. No. What's up? Where are we up to, mate? It's going into protection mode. No matter what volume it is, no matter if speakers are connected or disconnected, it goes in protection mode after. It could be 3 minutes, it could be 10 minutes, whenever it feels like it. So I'm just checking around for any dry joints. I mean, it's quite a modern amplifier by the looks of it, especially if it's got Bluetooth. So I'm just inspecting all the boards. I'm going to strip it down. Hello, Tom. I tried disconnecting some boards, but it goes instantly into protect mode if it's not connected. So it's kind of annoying. They're all fine. I don't even need to prod them. There's a lot of wind bond chips. And they all look fine. Might go on to the next board. Let's have a look at the top. Yeah, these look amazing. Like, what TTP of amp is this? I don't know. I'll type what the model is so you guys can guess. Or not guess, you will know. It's a SR. Is it SR? It's STR.
At Reassembly Repairs became a member. At Reassembly Repairs celebrates 10 months of membership. Andy's the best. Hee hee hee. Family. What Red Heart full score?
DH790. Thank you, Russ. How long was that been? 10 months. Jeez. That's what it is. 10 months. Damn. Family. Thank you. Hello, Fortifix. Hope you don't mind that command yesterday, mate. No, it's absolutely fine. I don't mind. Class AB, most likely. I can't remember what the differences are. Memory problem, throw it in the bin. I did a factory reset on it as well. That's obviously one of the first things I did. And it's still doing it. So, yeah. Not really much on here. On this little board. Oh, probably I'm tired. I think I'm tired. I hope I get a new subscriber today because it should work now. I better do. I've lost all my bloody text commands. Thanks, Underpants1. Thank you. My missus pissed me off and everything. It's just, I was like, I can't do this. But I'm going to do it anyway. I mean, there won't be anything wrong with HDMI ports. Let's move on. Would you like me? Yes, please, Tom, if you could try. I mean, let's move on to the next board. God, it's heavy. Oops. Scope is in the way. Yeah, I'm alive. Some type of problem with W9864 or something similar. Bin. What? Alright, I guess next I'm going to take off this frame because I want to see if I could take all this off. So if I take a picture of these two connectors, actually I shouldn't need to take a picture of these connectors. They look like they're just different sizes anyway. These are only like 20 odd volts, I think. But they're flipping loads of bloody... Oh, 71 volts, that's fine. I ain't gonna die on 71 volts. So there's only a few motherboard screws. No, I don't even see any motherboard screws. Damn. It's just two screws down here, and I think the back ones, and that's holding the board in. That's crazy. Hello, Sid. Yeah, thanks, Tom. Now I'm zoomed in too much. Jesus Christ. I just need to undo all these million screws, starting from these two. This is going to be fun putting back together. Once I got zapped with a pair of jump leads, 12 volts to the face. Sorry, I shouldn't laugh. Find the rectifiers and remove them. Then power up and see if it goes into protect. This will tell you if it's an output issue or it's power supply. What, the bridge rectifiers? What do you mean? I see the bridge rectifier here. It's massive. It's a big boy. Without the rectifier, it's not going to do anything. bridge rectifiers there. What are you on about diodes? Like if they're separate diode rectifiers. I've checked under the thermal cam. The only things that gets remotely warm-ish are these little, I guess they're transistors. There's loads of them. They get about like 60 to 70 degrees, which is probably normal for this thing. But the only way to stop it from shutting down, well, from what I could tell, was to put a fan on top. Yes, we have to remove the main board, unfortunately. I reckon the fault will be underneath. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. It's fine. It's not hard to get into. It's quite a nice one, to be fair. Oh, hello, G-Pass Tech. Oh, plastic. Oh, thank you, G-Pass Tech. It's a common issue with these, but nobody actually explains what it is, which is quite annoying. They'll just say, oh, I just did a clean and it works. Oh, it's always in protect mode. It's the transistor. Oh, it's dry joints. I'm confused. I'm actually confused. These big black ones, do they need to come out? I don't think so. I've removed one. Oh my god, I don't know where these screws are going to go. How did that even happen, Carthor? What? Hey, it works!
Zern UK subscribe to the channel.
What? Thanks for subscribing, Zern. I'm going to have to sort out that what. Oh, thanks, Russ.
Russ Repairs subscribe to the channel.
So glad I got that working again. I need to sort that image out. It's stretched. Alright, yeah, thanks, guys.
Carthor subscribe to the channel.
Not bridge rectifiers. Oh. It's fine. I laugh about it now. My neighbour popped up at her window. It was like a ghost. Scared me the crap out of me. Oh, damn. Sorry. I've had one coffee, but... Switches to protection mode after replacing main fuse? What? It's not always on protective mode, though, Cheap-Ass Tech. It plays music for anything between like 3 minutes to like 15 minutes. And it just shuts off. And it says protect. Resubbed. Thanks, Tom. Uploading one replace output stage transistor. There's one person online that I read. They had the same issue. They took it to a technician and he replaced the part and it's worked ever since. So I don't know what that is. Not too long, I don't think, Russ. No sub message for me. It depends if you've got it enabled in your privacy settings. Only one. Only one what? Thermal issue? That's why I don't know. I think there could be a short in output of the amp. Maybe that's the reason why it's going to... Well, surely if it was shorted on the output, it would go instant protect. Not play for God knows how long. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is proper loose now. Good. Did unscrew a screw there, which I didn't need to. We'll leave it there. Alright, now I've just got to unscrew these ones down there, which I can't get to. So, oh look, do you think the hoverboard's almost charged? That's actually pretty quick at charging. Sounds like something fails. Yeah, probably dry joints. Oh, even this don't fit in there. I'm gonna have to get my big one out. Thing is, hoverboard's charging. It's in the way. Got it. Yeah, they're only the output transistors by the looks of it, yeah. But the funny thing is, you can see, somebody mentioned this last stream, you can see that there's like finger grease all
I've got
over it.
a really small one.
It's all been smudged. Have you, James? But that's not overheating though. I don't think anyone's been in this before. There's no way. No way. Probably factory. Good thing is, the only difference with these screws, mostly... Oh, actually, I don't bloody know. No, went into protection mode multiple times for me as well. No matter the volume, no matter the song, no matter what they say. Keep going, mate. Remove the back panel. Do I need to? I need to remove the back panel. Can I not just lift it up? Oh, can I not just slide it? Yeah, I can just slide it. It's on one more screw though, by the feels of it. Over here. What's it stuck on? No. There we go. I'm alright. Oh, it's these. What are you stuck on? What's that black thing? It's soldered to the board. What's that? Oh, I don't want to unsolder it. Some ground wire. Oh, I'm going to have to, aren't I? Oh, this looks mint under here, though. This ain't going to be a dry joint issue. When they add that glue over it, it kind of makes it less likely to get dry joints. Oh, I'm going to have to unsolder it, and I think I have. That's fine. Somebody could hold that there. The amp doesn't have the Sony proprietary STK amp, no. Not on this one. Kids in factory have some fun with thermal paste. Yeah, protection mode with no speakers plugged in. I think I haven't tried that actually, not without speakers. That's going to be fun to put that back in. I do want to put that on here a sec. Put that screw back in that was unnecessarily removed. I think it's a white one. I mean, they all look familiar, similar, so let's just put this in. Yep. There you go. Remove that. I don't think it's going to be a power supply issue. And it'll be the main board issue. Fuck are they for? Oh, are these literally just to keep the wires together? Right. So the only things that get really warm is this. I believe something under here was kind of getting warm. So I don't know what's on the other side. Nothing, really. I don't really want to look too much into that underneath yet. Or do we go straight underneath? I guess I could drain the capacitors first. There's nothing in them anyway. They're gone. Yeah, I think so. What's that? Okay, put the amp aside now and put mainboard on bench. Let's look at now for cracked joints on regulators and output transistors. You know, almost of early Sony models from 80s and 90s used to have Sony proprietary SDK amp. Yeah, didn't know that. Why have they changed it though? Very strange. What you send in cheap ass tech? Let's have a look. Service manual. Yeah. Give up. See the heatsink on your left? They are regulator transistors. Check if cracks on the joints. The what? See the heatsink on my left? This? This is a bridge rectifier. Or you're about these things? These little white things? No. Sid, you carry on, mate. Yeah, that's good. Doesn't have any schematics though. Oh, what? Check the caps. Yeah. Let me inspect it first. That's probably the best thing. Would be the easiest thing. Best first, easiest thing. I mean, it looks really clean under here. I'd be very shocked if we did come across anything. Change scene. There you go. Right, the board isn't level, so it's going to go out of focus a lot when I move it up and down. Hopefully it stays in focus here. Let's start off with these boys. Oh, actually, that doesn't look very healthy, does it? I mean, is that cracked already? Shut up, is that cracked? That's not cracked, is it? No. No, they're fine. Spec with a camera slowly so we can see too. Yep, that's all good. They look clean. I'm joking. Start off from here then. Let's work our way down. So they look okay. Oh, shame I can't wiggle them. But I guess I could push them. Sorry. Look at those. Look like 5-watt resistors. Whoa. Next one. They seem okay. It's annoying because I'm fully zoomed out. I can't zoom out anymore. It looks very bright as well. There you go. Slowly, Andrew. You're too quick. How many power output transistors is there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, yeah, 5-watt resistors, yeah. Let's move to the next one. They look pretty good. These look even cleaner. I don't know, they kind of look cracked though, don't they? I don't even know which one I'm looking at currently, this one. But is that cracked? I don't know if they are cracks. Or they're like scratches. It's really hard to tell. Very soft solder. Or unless that's glue. It might be worth touching them up. 7 channels. All right. No, I don't think they are cracks. It's just... But some are looking better than others. Touch them all up with... Yeah, all right. I will do, yeah, because it's a bit... I'm not unsure. This one looks like it's got less solder on it, but going. Oh, that looks a bit brown. Why does that look brown compared to the rest? Whoop. Just flux. That one, what? What? Now it's white. Why does that look brown compared to the rest? The other ones are white. It's just resin flux. Oh, magic roundabout. What? It's flux. They're dry joints caused by high frequency. Okay, EDM. Cows, you in Swindon? Oh my god! I know where that is. Oh, you're right near me. You're at Drove Road. So close to me. Hot Cows is here in Swindon. He's literally about. Oh, what? Yeah. Hot Cows is in Swindon. Cows calling to see Andy. No. That'd be weird. He's at Lidl or Aldi, one of them. Which one am I on? That's the last one. So I'll start off with touching these up, I guess. Lock up your lawnmower. Yeah. Right. How easy is this gonna flow? What's that blob doing?
Andy's the best.
Yes, Andy. Definitely resolved all the pins on the power transistors. Then we'll search for the regulators. Yes, ma'am. Whoops. Hey up. Someone must have been in here before. That's not me. Just stating my iron. Disgusting. Whoa, okay, I'll do all that in a second, guys. Hold on. I just want to do this first. One thing at a time. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, EDM. It does, doesn't it? So nice seeing that pattern. Alright, let me clean my tip. It's disgusting. Oh. few moments later. So I'm about halfway. Hello, Frozerinos. Hello. Doing good, Anne. Yeah, thanks, Mike. Whoops. Oh, shit. Yeah. Need to clean my tip again. Oh, my iron's cooled down. Ah! I need to buy a new handle. No. Yeah, it says 300. Did I do them? I think I did. Solder blob. This way it works. The way this works is 2 transistors per output and 7 output, hence the reason why there's so many power transistors. Oh. Whoops. Don't know where they went. I don't know which ones I've done. Ah, there we go. Hello, Falcon. Right, final 2. Final 2. My iron's cooled down again. Fuck.
Tom Ball subscribed to the channel.
Tom, why did you only just subscribe now? Hang on, my soldering iron's playing up. I need a new handle. I've got one. Why does my... Right. My tip is going way too far into the handle. Oh my god, what's going on my iron? Nope, keep erroring. Oh. I need to sort it out. I guess there is 2 transistors per channel, yeah. Okay. All right, what was the next step you guys wanted me to do? I forgot. Oh, that's weird. My bench power supply fans just kicked in. Check to see if the regulator's on the main board. That's it. First time I've heard that go off. It's only pulling bloody 0.45 milliamps. 0.045 milliamps. That's a load of burnt rosin. This is the main board though, isn't it? Yeah, this is the main board. Right, the regulators. What's the regulators on here? You want about those little, these regulators per channel? I know, I was going to check more joints, wasn't I? Oh, wow. I mean, it's going to be, you're on about like these things. There's like two or whatever these are per channel. So you've got two there. The next ones have two. Yes, the main board, and now the regulators are underneath. Now the transistors, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Check the solder on the large caps. I'll do that now quick. They look solid. Like these are oh, that's the doors, probably for the headphones. Yeah, it is. Hold on. I'm not coming.
Oh no!
Oh, look at that. My shelves are looking nice now.
Family.
Nice and empty again. Family. Bye, worms. Yeah, those caps are fine, and these are the other caps. I'll quickly measure the caps. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but it's easier to do the little things first. This is like a little maintenance thing. Yep, that's reading as very high UF, and the ESR is 0.03, which is fine. Same goes with that one, exactly the same. The screen's a bit dirty. There you go. Yeah. Vape, yep. I'm gonna have to take some painkillers in a minute as well. Start to get a headache. Oh, why do I feel shit, man? My daughter's birthday too. I haven't had a headache in ages. Right, let's check these transistors. Surely if one of these would have failed, it would put it straight into protect mode, so I don't understand why I need to test them. So I watched Soren do one, and he had a transistor that was failed, but it would go instant in protect mode. This isn't instant. Fine. I blame computer booter. I'm really getting into his streams lately for some reason. Don't know what it is. It's the large ones, Andy, the three near the processor. What? Oh, these things. These ones. Well, there's one there, two, and then there's one there. Yo, Jason. Okay. Oh, stop. Seem fine. Oh, got excited then. Not that one. Must be some power in the board somewhere. They're good. Whoops. Don't like these probes. They're not as sharp, so they slip easier. Confirm on the regulators what part number on them, please. There you go. I think you can see it there. 7 zeros. Yeah, IC 102. It does say IC 102. Oh, do I make a coffee? Oh, what now? Oh my god, Andy's nearby. Oh god. Yes, I am nearby. Yeah, it's literally, how long is it? 5-minute drive away from me. Oh, cows. Look at bloody Hot Cows. He's stalking me. Hot Cows are literally 5 minutes away from me. Little shit. Stalker. Huh? Touch them up with the iron too. Yeah, I think I should make a coffee. I might have a latte. I had Americano this morning. Do they need touching up? They look perfectly fine, but okay. Oh, they're all different numbers. No, they're not. It's just the lighting. I think I need my iron slightly hotter. Oh no, not for that, I don't. It's just a giant plane. No. You sound what? You sound crinkly. I am. I'm really tired. I don't know why. I'm getting a headache. Not really feeling it, but I need to do it. And the 7807. Oh, sorry. 7907 is negative 7-volt reg, and the 7807 is positive 7-volt reg. All right. Nice to know. I think you should make a coffee, Andy. Did I read that already? Yeah, apparently these regulators. 7-volt regs. Positive and negative. Oh my god. Why is this one taking forever to transfer? There you go. Right, they're touched up. You'll be amazed what heat does to them. Really? Right, what's next? Carry on looking for dry joints? I mean, there won't be any. Everything just looks spot on. They look clean as a whistle. Everything. Next. Do you want me to check those resistors, the 5 watt, whatever they are? Did you check the voltages? I can't. You need to have everything plugged in, otherwise it goes into protect mode. All I could check is standby. I've just entered the 21st century. I bought it to do my scope, mainly because I'm old and blind. Oh, finally, EDM. Yeah, there's no dry joints on here. Like, what is it? Go over the board of hot air. Now look at the bridge rectifier connections. Huh? Is that it there? Yeah, it would be. That's weird. I've never seen a bridge rectifier like that before. They look different spaces. Yeah, it is. Oh, okay. They're very. One's really spaced out. I've got to find it. I've lost it. There it is. It's up here. So you, look, so you got one all the way over there on his own, and then you've got three in the same. They look fine. They're mint. I mean, I could go over it. See, it's slightly cracking, I guess. Potentially. Doesn't look amazing along here. I guess I could touch them up too. I'll add a bit of flux on this one though. Oh. I can't turn it on. Voltages are fine. All the voltages are there. It doesn't instantly go into protect. It works. It plays for minutes. I even had it like near enough 15 minutes before it went into protect mode. Voltages are all going to be there until it shuts off when it goes into protect. Right. Yes. Thank you. Well, I think that hoverboard's charged. I think that might just be trickle charging. Cows, is that you again? It is. Board has a short, Andy said last night in Discord PM. Oh, right, okay. Never mind, it's not to me. I think it's to Mick. Oh, for God's sake, my soldering iron's fucking errored again. No, I'm going to have to get a new one. Nope. Oh, no. I know what's happening. Oh, I'm going to have to fix my soldering iron. I know what it is. It's this stupid... Let's turn it off first. Look, right, it should go in about there probably, but it goes right down and it's not supposed to. So it's not making contact with this properly, and I know what it is. Worth checking the bias circuit. Is it class AB? I think it is. I just don't know what the difference is. So the tip, let's get a donor tip. This tip isn't sitting in there nicely because it's this stupid thing. Or I could just make that tighter. How do I make that tighter? Oh, I could use pliers. Yeah. Just tighten it up. This handle's had some abuse though. I've dropped it, tugged on it. Or I could just swap it out for a new one. Right, what am I looking for? Right, okay, so that's actually stopped charging. No, yeah. Well, the hoverboard's actually stopped charging now, so that's good. Oh, the fan just kicked in as well. Oh, pliers are here. Oh, for God's sake, man. That's why it stopped charging, because the bloody lead come out of the bloody effing. There you go. Both leads had come out. Oh, wow, it's charged. Whoops. Who's that on my door? Is that Cal's messing about outside my front door, the little shit? Oh, it's Posty. 2 seconds. We'll get Posty. Don't tug on your tip too hard or you'll break it. Yeah. handle's been through a few tugs. Yes, it has. 2 seconds. So I can't remember what I'm waiting for. Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for the remote for that hi-fi system. Nope. Damn it. What we got? Tracy. Asia. Better have money in it. What's that said? I have an idea. If you just disconnect the power transistors, how can I disconnect them? And just check the control circuit, maybe it'll tell you something about the problem. So you saying to disconnect all of these transistors? It's a bit much in it. Oh yeah, that feels nice and tight now. Whoa, let's try that. No, I'm not going to remove all those transistors. Oh yeah, so tight. Oh, hopefully this works. Nope, errored. You fuck. God damn it. What have I done? Yeah, I've done that, Farm Tech.
Oh no!
Let's try this. Is that going to error? No. So it works like that. That's working perfectly. It's just not being pushed in properly. And I know why. Because of the stupid end stop. Oh, I was going to have to pull it. Okay. Hopefully that's it. Is that hot? No. That end will be though. Yeah, that's hot. Ugh, that'll do. I've pushed that quite far in. That looks stupid. Yay, working. Right, it's fine now. That's a really small tip now. It's gone in way too far. Right, what was I doing? Did you see it going into protect mode? Yeah, yeah. You need to check it section by section. Oh yeah, bridge rectifier. Thank you. Yes. Completely off balance. Right, I was doing that when I. That's it. Thank you, Castle. Cool. Flows chart when you get protection errors. What page? 42. It doesn't even go to 42. All right, thank you on it, Ad. Yeah, I know you said it to me, but oh, no, all right, I see. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Cheers, you both got it. Right, start. The protect is not displayed on the... Wait, what do you mean? Yes, okay. What's NG? No go. When sound is not outputted. The protect is not displayed on the... Okay. Continues to page 43. Oh, okay, maybe not. But it is. Protect is displayed. Check that FFCs between H90 digital board and main board are connected. Yes, they were, because I've done all that. I disconnected the connectors and put them back in. The voltages on... Yeah, but this is if it's straight away. This is if it says in protect mode straight away. It's not. It works fine. I'm going to have all my voltages. Power transistors, we've checked them. No, not good. Oh, it means not good. All right, okay. So that means not good. So if I start from good, it says go to page 43. Oh, God, what's this? Who's at my door now? Oh, it might be the missus is back. So it's a yes. Press the 2-channel multi button and select multi ST and sound various source. What? Okay. The sound from the coaxial input is outputted when the... What? Okay. The sound from the optical input is outputted when... Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Continue to page 44. The sound from HDMI output's okay, yeah. The sound output from each speaker... Wow, it says okay. The sound is outputted from each speaker. And there is a yes, but there isn't. Hi, babe. Thank you. I was going to make a coffee as well.
Yeah, look what they sell now.
Sort of vinegar ones.
Yeah.
Nice. If it's not limited edition.
I don't know, but I'm going to give them a go. I ache so bad.
Yeah. I love you. Sugar-free monster. But it goes in protection. Yes, after about any time between 4 and 10 minutes or even more.
Oh, I've got blow-up balloons, 2 helium balloons. I wanted to get an individual 11 balloons. Do you know how much they wanted to blow up each one? There were 6.
$5?
No, $2.49 for each one.
Right.
So if they blow up the 5, that'd have been 15 quid.
It's worth it.
No, so I got 2 big ones for a tenner.
Okay.
So unicorn one.
They blown up though?
Yeah. Yeah, of course. Got helium in them ready for us to use after.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right, I love you.
I love you, babe.
Forever and always.
Forever and always. So basically that's the checklist. So assume that state and follow the checklist. Still trying to find it. There is no state for plays music but then goes into protect. There is not that state there. Just assume protect. But then it's going to ask me to check the voltages, but they will be there. All right, let's start from protect. Okay, so it does display protect. Okay. But now, press the 2-channel multi button and select the multi. Blah, 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 blah. You have to jump in on the first no good. But it's saying, do you get a display of protect? The protect is not displayed on this display panel. Oh, I guess it's not straight away, no. But it is. But it does. Fuck it. It just says replace the whole board. Let's just do that. I think if it says protect, you should go to NG as it protect is no good. But it says check that the FFCs, whatever they are, between the digital board and the main board are connected certainly, which I did. The voltages of the following pin. Okay, I guess I'll have to deal with that then. Check the surround. Okay, all right. I'll have to put it back together and test the pins and the voltages from when it's put together. But let me just quickly check these power transistors quick. I mean, they're going to be fine. They're not going to be shorted, otherwise it would have been glowing, I'm sure of it. Or it would go instant protect mode. But I'll even do it in ohms. 500 ohms. And kilo ohms. 500 ohms. And kilo ohms. I told you. You told me what? Oh, 21 mega ohms. That's even higher than... Why is that completely different? That's really high. We're in the mega ohms on that one. Oh, I guess it's normal. Let's see if these ones are mega ohms. Yeah, that's weird. These ones are kilo ohms. No, it's my leads. Oh, they're always in mega ohms. Whoops. I thought it was ohms. I didn't see the M. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Bad bias circuit. I haven't even tested it without speakers. I thought I did, but I remember I didn't. They're mega ohms, not kilo ohms. Where these are kilo ohms. No, they're mega ohms. These I don't like these leads. I need to buy those mechanic ones back. Hey, babe.
Look what they do now as well. But those for Anna.
Uh-huh.
And those for Scarlett.
Oh, she would like them.
I know. They're like cheddars. Yeah. Right, leave me alone now.
I'm just constantly getting different readings, but they're not low ohms. That one's not even bloody reading. One is PNP, the other is NPN. Oh. Why is that reading open? Probably my shitty leads. Oh, update on that board with the relays. He's collected them. He says it's for his son. It's for his roof, convertible. I'm assuming he's saying. I think it means convertible. He said that. Oh, what did he say? The unlock or lock function on it doesn't work, but everything else does. And he swapped the boards and it works fine. But because it's a different board, I think he said it's not matched with the car, so some other functions don't work or something. I said, well, I checked the relays and they all seemed fine. Check the MOSFETs as well. And he believes that literally power goes in through the relays and back out again. Oh, I'm gonna have to mute that. I'm sorry. Oh no, it's Discord. What's this now? These are thermistors. Ooh, that'll be good. SMDs though. Ooh, there's only one thermistor there though. That could be handy. Thermistor 102s. Is there a silk screen on it? I'll tell you what though, it is brown here on this pad. That is really brown. But that's just heat, it's probably normal. Just the tip. Yeah, these read fine. I think I did them all. I don't know what's going on with these leads. Shitty sunshine shit. Oh, I only saw one. That's the heat you made with the salt connect. What? That's the heat you made sure that the salt connections were good there. Oh, solder. Yeah. Yeah, it was, yeah. I don't know if you can see how brown it is. Nah, it's not really showing up, but... Right, thermistors. What's it connected to? Two little Qs. How many? Two Qs. Is it these? These are Qs. No, they're ICs. Qs, you go Q106. Wait, what am I looking for? Q142s. So it's not them ones. 144. That's weird. They're going down. No, going up. Sorry, my bad. They're going up. Q144. There it is. It's on the first one. So why would it be on the first one? The other side of the board. Oh yeah, I'm looking for 142, 143. That's 144. On the other side of the board. Oh wow. How am I going to get down there? TH102. Can I not just remove that thermal resistor and then it'd be like, yeah, it's all good. You know what? I have noticed something. Whether or not it's a big deal. Whether or not it's a big deal is another thing. Right. Thermistor, yeah, that's what I'm hoping. Right. See, let's start off with this one. So, wait, is it? Oh no, it's there too. Forget it. No, never mind. Don't know what I'm struggling to find. Joey, piss off. A minute. Your Streamlab merchandise order has been shipped. Oh right, yeah. It's Booter's mug. Q142s. Q142. Where's Q142? Still can't find the bloody thing. Q141. Q142. Oh, there it is. There's Q142. But round here, should say to the right of it, should be there. There is no third. Oh, there it is. Yay, there it is. Found it. Found it. Yep, thank you. But won't be them. Yeah, I see it. So you reckon I should put it back together and then follow that flow chart thing? Do each one of these have one, do they? Or is it just that one? Yeah, they all have one. Retro or new, just joined the stream today. Have you diagnosed fault or resoldering is a possibility? Is there a reason there is a reason I asked? I'm not sure what you mean by resoldering is a possibility. Don't know what the fault is. It just keeps going into protect mode after however minutes of playing music. I haven't tried it without the speakers connected. I've touched up some solder joints. I think it's lasted its longest when I had the fan on. Even then I got bored and I just turned the fan off and then it went into protect mode. So something's getting warm or something. I think I should just put it back together and test. Thermistors are connected to digital board. Not going to be thermistors. Start measuring DC offset when starts and just let it drift. Okay. Put it back together. Not fully, but enough. Yeah, you never know. It might have sorted it doing those little reflow bits, but I doubt it. But measure with no speakers on it. I didn't even measure without no speakers on it. I mean, test it without no speakers, which is stupid. Right. Let's put it back in. Now it's like Lego. Oh, have I got to put that bloody ground thing back in? Ah, probably do. It's ground wire. Fuck. No issues. It just means like, oh god, that transformer's heavy. I'm gonna have to quickly unsolder that out so I can push the wire in easier. Give up? What? No, not giving up. Putting it together to test. Giving down. Yeah, I'm giving down. I love that song. How can you? I love that song. Oh. Oh yeah, it's bloody awful. Q101 and 105s are protection circuit. Can I not just remove them? Q101 to 105 are protection circuit. Trace, that's god awful. She can't even hear me. Wake me up. Wake me up. You don't say I've cut myself again. Oh, I bloody have. No. What is up with these bloody metal things? I keep cutting myself on metal. Another battle scar now. I swear I need to start wearing gloves. It's fine. I cut myself on this. On the lip. Chicks dig scars. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, this is what I was fearing about. I was trying to get this back in the old. Might go from underneath instead. I'm gonna throw this out the flipping window. Why is there such a small bloody wire? Oh, I can't do it. Is it in? No. These fins are going to cut me soon. I can't extend the wire, can I? That'd be easy if I could. Oh my god. It's just an anchor thingy. A cable tie thing. And it was tucked underneath the power supply, which it shouldn't have been. It's one of these stupid anchor things. Ah. So somebody must have been in here before then, because that's probably not factory at all. Oh well. Put it back in there now, look. Damn it. Oh well. Sorry, GT Auto, all the commands have been deleted again. Sorry. Not because of that reason, I know. The anchor is broke, it's going to say, oh no. It's going to drift away. It's not going to sink, it's just going to drift away. Yeah, that's it. A wire wrap. Forget about it. Sorry, I've got it now. Long story short, to fix my Stream Elements subscription notification. If you want the long story, I'm quite happy to give it to you. I'll tell you the long story anyway. So, back in the day when I first started up this account, I was actually on a brand account and not a main account. So I already had another account, which was my private account. And then I made another account called a brand account for this Swindon Electronic Repairs. And then it was all fine until somebody said, oh, yeah, you could gift out subs. And I was like, oh, I can't do that. It's not allowing me. And then I think Carthel, because Carthel's smart, he said, oh, you need to have it as a main account, not as a brand account. So what I had to do was merge my main account with my brand account. So then my brand account will be my main account, not the other way. So I merged Swindon Electronic Repairs to my private one. So basically it wiped off my private one. Actually, it merged the subscriptions together. I don't know about the videos. Maybe not the videos. And ever since then, Stream Elements broke for the subscription notification. So I then found out yesterday, or I thought, maybe it still thinks it's connected to my old account, the branded account, although it's merged together as one. And Stream Elements, I had to basically delete my Stream Elements account and basically re-add it to this account. I like long stories. And then, yes, it was. I signed up again. I re-signed up and it was fine. Now it's working again. But I had to set up all my alerts again, but now I've got this giant whoop across the screen and it looks god awful. Yeah. All those cuts for nothing. What do you mean? I've only got one cut. Never know, it might be fixed. Just partially put it together. Just 2 of these on each side. And then I guess I could test. Two cups, one out. Ugh! Right, let's put this cool little shelf on. Like a floating shelf. Pretty cool. It doesn't quite line up now though. Why is it not lining up? That's a bit weird, isn't it? Don't care. No, let's get the other little board. Because I even tried just unplugging this board for HDMI circuit and it wouldn't turn on. It was like, nope, it needs it. I guess it needs it for these 2 ribbon cables to the front. You still suspected power transistor. Okay. So which way, how could I test them? Take them out and test every single one. Damn it, I should have done this outside. You could untighten the mainboard screws and see if you could move it a bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is this right? No, it sits on top. Did it sit on top? Yeah, probably did. I don't know if it sat on top of the board. I think it probably did. Makes sense. But I can't get it to sit on top. Why? There you go. Did it sit on top? Doesn't seem right. Oh, yeah, it does. Does it? Yeah. Yeah, it does, yeah. There you go. Okay. I'll connect them afterwards. I need to put the other little board here, which is also on 2 little shelves. Now, one there. Yeah, it could be any one of them. Yeah, but if it was to be one of those, Sid, wouldn't it just go straight into protection mode? That's weird. Damn it, that one needs a screw in it. That'll do. Plug in. No, it won't do because it'll short out. Stupid Lego design. I used to repair such things back in the days. No, that's cool. I'll check them afterwards. There are those BAV70 diodes. Those are in chromatic. Yeah, I've got those things, the BAV70s. Right now, the question is, I guess it doesn't matter which side it goes on. Literally, all these screws are the same. Yeah, thermal paste is fine. It's not dried up. I think somebody's recently done it. I mean, there's thermal pads behind them as well. Okay, that's sort of good enough on its brackets. Should be able to just push that down. There you go. This went over here. I don't think it's relevant. I don't know what that's for. What is that? This goes into this and this. Oh, that's... I put the board on the wrong way around. Ugh. Delivery guy. I think it's delivery. Take it your mum's gone then. Thank you. What's this? Oh, it's my backdrop. Yeah, my green screen. Cool. Can have a green screen. No, it's not the piano guy. Never heard back from him when I said I'm not accepting the job. I don't know why he didn't take no for an answer. Didn't even realise I didn't need to take this board off. Should have just left it on its brackets. Sorry you can't see anything, I'm just turning the board around. Well, torque setting 6. 100k ambitious, Andy? No. Better that board than a Dreamcast PSU board. Why are they that bad? How can you see to my eyes like open doors? Right, what goes down there? Figure it out in a minute.
Family.
No, family don't go down there. There. This. Oh yeah, I think it was this. Let's just guess. think it did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it did. I did take pictures, don't worry. I'll have a look in a second just to confirm. I'm pretty sure that did go in there.
Oh no!
I accidentally put the board in backwards with the power applied. Whoops. Great. Well, I took 2 pictures, but not of the board underneath. Great. Yeah, it's fine. It's got to go in there because this one goes in there. The Lelo one goes in there. Obviously that one goes in there. Okay, I think that's it. And you've got a ribbon, and you've got a cable there, a ribbon cable here. Cool. Fully connected again. Makes it so hard to heat anything up. Mohammed, hello. Have you tested the gate drivers? Gate driver and MOSFETs? No. Oh my god. I don't know how much longer I'm going to last. Honestly. Let's plug it in and see if it goes bang. No bang. I don't get no standby light. What have I forgotten? Why is there no standby light? What have I forgotten? Is it broken now? I don't have any lights. What's gone on? I couldn't have broken it. Oh. Power not in right. Looks into me. Oh, no, it wasn't in right. How did you see that, you silly car? Wow. How did you see that? That connector went in properly. The main power. Okay, now it should work. Ow. No. Still no light. When you plugged it in. Still no light. Why is it dead? Well, it's dead now, isn't it? sure it's not because that's got to be grounded. Hook that up. Let's try that. Probably not. Where's the cable? Nope. How is it dead? I don't understand it. Maybe the wire you unsoldered. Yeah, maybe it wasn't. No, it is one of those things. No, it was definitely one of these. It was irrelevant. It's soldered back in. It's just the cable tidy thing. Okay, literally no power. No clicky. Oh, it's not the fuse, man. What could have blown the fuse? It was working before I turned it all off. You've got to have some system to start troubleshooting, not just poking randomly. Start over. Right, we get in volts. Yes, we get 248 volts. Are we getting... The HMI board does need a screw. It has metal washer thing in the back of it. What? The HMI board does it need the screw? It has. What do you mean? You're saying does it need to be screwed in the back? You reckon it needs a screw? Why? I don't get why, but just put in a screw then. Right. Maybe that main board needs to have a screw in as well. Do I need to put screws in every single board? That's weird. Big black screw. Oh yeah. Will it go in there? Big black screw? Oh, it must do. Yeah. Right, let's try that then. That's definitely in. That's in, that's in, that's in, that's in. That's in. That's in. That's in. That's in. That's in. And what I mean in Discord. Okay, let's have a look, Carthor. Let's have a look. Oh. You reckon so? You reckon it needs to have one in here? Okay. Don't know why. Makes no difference. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got power again. What? Why is it need? Oh. Okay, we got power again now. I don't understand. Well, it's working again now. You literally have to have some screws in to test. Oh, that's going to make life a lot harder, isn't it? Hot chassis. Sometimes you have to have all the main board screws in as they use to connect grounds to different circuits. That's mental. Okay. It says connecting. It's connected to my phone already. It says nothing because obviously that's the name of my phone. You can hear the relays clicking. Let's play some music and see if it cuts off. Nothing in the chassis is used for power. Likely it had a bad connection. Maybe. Some TVs had bad problems with screws that had to be tightening them to make the TV work again. Well, I guess I'm just going to have to wait and see if it goes into protect mode again. Because it's working now currently. That's nuts. Screws even. Now turn on the amplifier around with your multimeter and DC mode. Check if there's any voltages and outputs. Make sure the speakers and A and B. Oh yeah. Speakers are off. Speakers A. I can only select off or speakers A. Don't know how I would change speakers. Only speakers A. Speakers off or speakers A. Do I change the input? Nope. How do I change speakers B? This symbol stands for double insulated. Your chassis is not conducting power. Oh, okay. Well, I don't understand why it works all of a sudden. I guess I can't turn on B. B's always on. Watching on mobile, Stu. 6th ad in 5 minutes. What, me? Well, who's Stu? Stu's not even here. Oh, I'm on live chat. Yeah, that's right. I'm on live chat. Stu's not even here. Who's Stu? Oh, Sue. Watching on mobile, 6th ad in 5 minutes. Hang on. I don't know if something's changed. Are you really getting ads? Is it like ads where it covers the whole screen or anything, or the whole screen, or is it like a little pop-up ad? Because you should be getting it every 30 minutes. I haven't changed it for a while though. Yeah, look. Every 30 minutes is the maximum I could go. Ads that come. Oh, the chat. Oh, that's different though. That's not me. That's YouTube. I don't know if I earn from them. Yeah, you said you probably wouldn't. Well, it's not in protected mode at the minute. Last time it couldn't even get through this whole song. It got to like there and then it cut off. But another time it would just stay on for a long while. So 8 ads, 5 chat, 3 videos now. What? I just want to test to see if this fixes it first on 8 ad. If it lasts like 5 minutes, and that's probably the best I've ever had it done. Right, cutting off. Without a fan, anyway. Oh, I just had a click. Oh, it's gone into protect. There you go. It's just gone into protect. Yeah, it's just shut off. So that didn't work. All right, let's do what on 8 ad said. Measure the stuff. Let's turn it back on. Not playing music. I'll even change the source to TV. I've checked the thermal camera. Nothing stood out. Just all those little transistors down there. So you want me to measure the output voltages in DC. Remember, no speakers connected. Yeah, no speakers. All right, we are on. Do I not need to play music? It's not drawing anything. I live in a town. It's called Swindon Town. Hence the name Swindon Electronic Repairs. And the other output, well, there's nothing playing at the minute. Oh, we got this one. We've got quite a few outputs. We've got surround sound outputs too. Nothing on this one. I'll measure this one. Pretty much nothing. Next one. Pretty much nothing. Next one. Pretty much nothing. This one. Surround sound, back, height, front, blah, 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 whatever that is. Biamp. Nothing. And nothing. Yeah, we're in DC. AC? Do you want me to try an AC? Try an AC. AC's audio anyway, isn't it? 0.024. 0.024 as well, probably, yeah. We've got this one's 0.5. What? That's quite high in AC. Oh no, it's gone that. Wait. What? Is that normal? An AC? 463 millivolts. I'm not using a scope. All right. Okay, TFN. Let me put manual ads in, or so everyone gets them at the same time. See if that works. Nope. Set it so everyone. It's weird because no one else. YouTube ads are annoying on purpose. Yeah, I know, but is anyone else getting so many ads? You shouldn't do like I've got it set to every 30 minutes, but I'll do this so everyone gets them at the exact same time. So if you do watch the ads, people out there, please let This is so bugged as well sometimes. I click save and it's saying that I haven't saved it, but I have saved it. Please say if you've got an ad or loads of ads. Don't say you've got an ad blocker because that's irrelevant right now. Look, just to show you the settings saved. See, show ads to viewers at all different times to maximize revenue. The ads I see here cuts you off and goes full screen. Okay. But how often? Like 5 every 8 minutes? I'm not going to inject an ad. It's an amplifier. Why waste time with a meter? Ozzy, do you even know what the issue is? Oh yeah, it says that going into protection mode. I've got sound, Ozzy. I don't need a oscilloscope. I don't know what's the benefit of using a oscilloscope. Please educate me. Yeah, I don't care about the people who's got that go and all that other stuff. I've got an ad block. Ozzy, with this, it works. Who's this guy? I recognise him. It's the Renault printer guy. I'm over here talking to myself. TFN, how's the ads? Any more since yet? What? If you put in 1 kilohertz in, the scope will tell you if 1 kilohertz still comes out. Why do I need to see if there's output speaker? It does work. We get sound and everything. I was playing music through the speakers. It did shut off, Mike. I've already just done it. It went back into protection again. TFN's gone. So I've just done that for no reason then. Is TFN gone? Output short. Well, although it plays for a good... Well, if I have a fan on it, if I put this fan on it, it will stay on for like indefinitely, even with music. So you saw how quick that shut off, yeah? After, what was that, about 4 minutes of playing music? Now if I do the same again, with this fan on, only on like the lowest percentage, it will last longer. Yo, Mike, how are you? He said he'll be back later. All right, well, I'll enable it again because he's the one that's complaining. All right, let's go to Bluetooth. All right, it's playing via Bluetooth now. And it'll stay on. Bad MOSFETs, maybe. I could just add a fan and be like, yep, it's working. Right, I think it maybe got to the second video after this one, so. So whenever you turn the volume, no. Doesn't matter what volume it's at. It's currently 30%, 40, 50, 60, 70, max. It's still not in protection yet. It won't go in protection probably because of that fan. I'll leave it on 30. Hello, Boring Brett. There you go. Now everyone's going to get ads at different times again. It's got a juice. It's probably an overheating issue. It's got a nice fan on it. I can feel it blowing out here. So it's keeping everything cool. I'll put my thermal cam on it. I did do that earlier. But it got to around 70 degrees on those little... I don't know what they are. I'm going to call them transistors. Bye, GT Auto. Why are you off too? Don't go. Don't worry, we'll still play music while... So, oh, that's the top board. What's it saying underneath? So look at those, how hot those are, you can't really see. But they're like 50 degrees at the minute. Before they were like 70. They're only 50 odd degrees. Before they were reaching 70 almost. There you go. 48, 49 degrees. Don't know if you see it on the left here. They're only hitting 49. That was quite a hot one compared to the rest. Nah. Oh, you've got some over there that are really cool. That's where the fan's hitting. One on the left there, look. They're really cool. I think just add a fan and it'll be good. Is it high? I thought that was probably normal for an amplifier. Could be idle power set too high. There's no adjustments on this one. You're still thinking about thermistors. One might be out of whack. Those are 5-watt resistors. I could try change them. I'll measure them first. Maybe we got a high resistance one. That's not idle though. It's playing music. Yeah. It's playing music currently. Speaker connector and let's see what happens. I can't. I'll get copywritten unless I change the song. Speaker, it was reaching nearly 70. Yeah, but it doesn't matter if the speaker's connected or not connected. I'll plug in the speaker again. Where is it? It's down here. Sorry, this is all plastic, so it's safe. Sorry, I'm not plugging it in the higher impedance ones. This is only a 4 ohm speaker. The other ones are 6 to 16 ohm. I'm not going into them ones. Copyright! Copyright! Crap. Copyright! Copyright! I've got to change song now. What can I play? He's always talking. Perfect example.
But yeah, I've got to admit, I do like that, how he's done it.
Do ya?
Look,
Low impedance will trip protection too. Only if it's in the wrong sockets. The
I've
guy
got a
even...
bit of caption tape over there.
The guy said he even changed speakers and it's still the same.
Alright, oh yeah, battery's out.
You can blow heat into it and see if it clicks into... Oh yeah!
Use some of this firming.
Don't you have a function generator?
This stuff is alright.
I do have a signal generator, yeah. It's such a pain to hook up. It's more of a nuisance to use. It's such a nuisance. I've got to find the ground, and I've got to try and keep it into the input part of it, and it's a pain in the ass. Hello, UK Retro. So it's staying on for longer, right? With the fan on. Agreed? Yeah, and the beep sound's not amusing.
Spread a little bit of happiness. Yeah, there you go. Right.
7 degrees idle is high.
A little bit of MX7 and a bit of MX6, please. Spread into that. Nicely done.
Well, what temperature should I try and blow it at? 70%? 70 degrees? I can't go that low. I can only go 100.
Yeah, okay, that's a bit messy. Right, it's quite a mess up.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm thinking. Just add a fan in it. Is it going to go in protection mode?
No, it's obviously not. It's order update. Oh, right, on the diodes that I ordered. Right, okay.
Actually, that's just that's blowing cool air. 100 degrees is too stick to one area. Blowing heat on board is pointless.
So,
we already know it's going in
a very kind message that I got sold. I went, all done, buddy. Thank you. As you can see, your name. And he went, hello. Inspiring to see, dedicated to the charity for the children.
Andy, read your WhatsApp.
And I wish you all the best in the future. Thanks for a shout out. It should be your name as you obviously donated the money.
I've done that already, Mike.
I got an excellent 360.
It's one of the first things I did.
Sorry I didn't get feedback yet, but arrived safe and everything is running fantastic. Thank you.
No, it's not going in protection mode with a fan on, Mike. It only does when there's no fan on it.
There you go. And I'll get fantastic feedback. So it's not only do I get top feedback, but
so something's overheating. But it's hard to get the thermal camera on every single angle because of the layers.
I don't believe. I've given him a great Xbox. He's bought a great Xbox, and the money's gone to the Birmingham Hospital.
Can I not just remove those thermal resistors?
You can't go wrong in there. So
then it will never kick in. Or change them to 0 ohm resistors or something. Alright, Garrett, it probably will go into protection mode. I did this earlier and it did.
Chocolate's very dry. Very, very dry indeed.
While I wasn't here, it went into protection mode, did it? It did go into protection mode while you wasn't here, yes.
And I will do it again because I've got others to put
check all the output. For what? Check them out for what, Sid?
I will address the exact same issue. Their name will be
I think you might be jumping in and out of stream because I've already done that.
Their name will be posted and the money is
if you're about checking for DC voltage, I've already done that.
eBay wouldn't let me post a link. I don't get it. I just don't get it. They won't let me post a link.
Oh, unless you mean the other, all of them, like including the line outs and stuff. If that's what you mean, Sid. Do you mean like the line outs and everything? Not just the speakers. All the outputs, right?
Right, okay.
So I want to see if this goes in protection mode first.
Little bit out of order.
The best value in ohms is around 10k at 25 degrees, 4 to 5k at 50 degrees. Okay. So what should I do? Like 1 to 2k ohms throw in there. Takes a lot longer. Yeah, it's because it's not cooled down yet. I mean warmed up. Let's get the thermal cam on it.
On the Xbox, so they know what they're getting. They're getting a nice
See if
clean
those
Xbox, modded Xbox.
loads of transistors
They're never
heated
gonna
up.
have any issues with it.
Look how hot they are though.
To a 2 terabyte
They're currently
drive
at
if they want.
63, 68, 67,
4 terabyte drive. I think
66,
there's a limit
68.
that
The
you
one
can have.
side's only 58 at the minute because it's still warming up. But this side's like 68,
Will I use it?
67.
No. It's nice to have it.
What about this one all the way over here? Oh, I can't
I'll
get...
get more enjoyment now doing what I'm doing.
That is a really,
doing
really
this.
warm one there. So 68 degrees at the minute.
I don't want to stop. I want to carry on doing.
Raptor, it's Mick. I'm testing audio a minute.
There you go. And that is all done.
Something is quite warm at the back there,
All close
but I
to
can't
date.
pinpoint
New
what it is.
MX6 and MX7 paste put on. RGH'd. Now we can put it back in the case. Yay.
Cannot pinpoint what it is at the back.
Another one saved there, Bronzy.
It's 50 degrees though, but it's not hot.
I don't get cut up.
Is it a relay?
Blood lost my hand yesterday. Look, on that bloody cage.
1, 2, 3. It's whatever's next to the relay.
He's always put up a fight.
Oh, it could be the power input.
Wait, no, that's all right. You're not gonna.
Oh, there you go. Just gone into protection mode. There you go. Just gone in protection mode. See, with the fan on, it's fine. Take it off, a couple of minutes, and it'll shut off again. What am I pointing at? I don't know what side it is. You see all... You can't really see it all. There's like a million transistors all in a row. But if I put air across it, it's fine. I could just add a little side fan somewhere. Done. Overheating issue. Oh yeah, 100%. Yeah, those little bastards. I wonder if I could get it under the scope. Ugh. Oh. All of these things, they're the ones that's getting really warm, like 70 degrees almost. Loads of them. But what can cause the overheating? It's not dusty, it's a clean system. Like, what was that brown stain? Oh yeah, could be something to do with that. You on about the one that I saw earlier around that? I forgot what you said it was now. A regulator. I was in school and I had to mute you. What did I miss? You should be learning. You didn't miss nothing. Welcome, by the way. Welcome back. These are the ones described in the troubleshooting steps. Were they? Yeah, those are all drive MOSFETs on the output stage. I thought it was the ones. I thought you meant these. It's not them. It's these little tiny little shits in there. He is learning, Andy. Yeah, but you didn't really miss much. It's just going into protection mode. We found out if I use a fan, it will stay on. If I remove the fan, it shuts down. Did you drop blood on it? Probably. No, it hasn't spread anywhere. It's dry and it's fine. 13. Don't forget Madam, babe. Oh, shit, I've got to go. Sorry, guys. I've got to go pick up my daughter. I didn't realise what time it is. Sorry. Yep. Oh, crap. I'll be back after 3. Sorry, got to go. Bye. Yeah.